Hello! Today we're going to be looking at the September 2018 Mishibox. This is my first time trying out this box. I got a one-time subscription just because I'm trying something new. It is a Korean beauty box. My first impression so far is that it's very, very cute. I love the little bunny. I love the pink box. I also really like that I ordered this box on the 3rd of October and it is now the 9th of October and I already have it, which is really good because a lot of times you have a slow turnaround to when you order the box and when you get it. So that is definitely a plus in Mishibox's favor. So let's look inside. So here's the insert that goes with the box. I like it. It's full color. It's in English. There's a lot of information about each item. So that's a very nice start. Looks like we're going to start with this Fix Sense Keep Cool and Soothe Mist. It's got like an oil layer on top, but when you shake it up, it mixes together all really well. According to the description, I got the Soothe Mist contains centella extract and aloe vera leaf water and is great for those with acne prone skin, which is perfect. So this is one of the 3 items that you could have gotten. I happened to get the one perfect for my skin, which is awesome. Next item is Stay With Me Day Cream. Looks pretty good. Feels like I got a glass container in there. So Stay With Me Day Cream. This light milky cream is full of good for you ingredients and suitable for all skin types, which is great. So another thing that I will absolutely be able to use. I'm really excited about this item. It is so cute. I just like the way that it looks so much. It's Collagen and Luxury Gold Anti-Wrinkle Ampule. I'm very excited to try this out. It looks really, really swanky. It's got all these ingredients: balance, nourish, lift, and brighten skin, which who doesn't need more of that? Here is a mask. This is a 2-step mask. Here's a mud mask on top and a sheet mask on the bottom. Honey, which is always a nice ingredient and been really popular in my boxes lately. And then last but not least, I got an aloe vera everyday moisture mask. I love aloe vera, it's a good ingredient. And it's one of many different masks that I could have gotten, and I just so happened to get aloe vera. Overall, I really like this box. This is a very good starting box. It cost me $20.95 and I feel like I got my money's worth. I feel like I got a really good value for what I paid. So I am hopeful that I will get this subscription for Christmas, looking at my husband, and I hopefully will be able to review the next boxes with you as well. See you soon.